Judd says, by the way, if this was for the legalization of marijuana, why can't you grow a plant in your backyard? Which is the big question, and which is what a lot of people had issue with. Why are you still prohibiting home grows? Why are you still forcing people to go to the big corporations, of whom they're only going to have a handful of them that control everything? That's pretty much going to monopolize everything, and no one wanted that, and no one liked it. So in that sense, I understand what Sheriff Judd was saying, and honestly, he's just doing his job, but at least he has a common sense approach to some of these issues.
You know, today's National Joke Day, and Confucius said, he who smokes weed on the toilet is high on pot. So this is no joke.
At least he's got jokes. At least he's got jokes. Shout out to Sheriff.
This is an abuse of what the people of the state of Florida intended to be medical marijuana for the very sickest. Now, let me tell you something that just shocks me. We have patrol cars there. We have an investigation underway. 4 people show up, walk around the marked patrol cars, and say, I'd like to buy some. With us there, with us standing there.
People just don't give an F, bro. Like, we're trying to get our flower now, bro. In the mall car park, they see the police car over there, they think it's all legit. That's probably the point of it, man. They definitely think it's all above board, when it really wasn't. So, again, it's absolutely crazy. But let's keep on listening to this story, guys.
You should not buy marijuana from a cannabis because it's illegal and it'll get you arrested. Just ask these owners who paid absolutely no attention to the law. Now, Daniel, he's just an employee.
They paid no attention to the law.
He only had 28 criminal charges, 16 misdemeanors, 12 felonies. He's been to prison once. Jimmy's been to prison 4 times. Let me introduce you to Jimmy Andrew. He's 40, and his wife, Bianca Andrew, who's 35. They are business owners, small business owners. They own a marijuana bus. That's right. They call it the cannabis. And they drive this around to different areas and sell illegal marijuana. Make no mistake, they have legal hemp in this bus as well.
So that sort of takes us finally to the closing point of this video, guys. How are you able to distinguish between that legal hemp and that illegal marijuana? The THCA stuff, which I believe is littered everywhere in Florida, versus what is actually illegal. But I want to find out what you guys think about this crazy story when it comes to the cannabuses popping up in New York and Florida. Drop in the comments down below and let me know what you guys think about that. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. And there's some crazy laws which are actually taking place across the US right now when it comes to legalization. So check this video out because it's really interesting, and find out if your state is going to be affected, because it's coming up right now.
Shout out to Master channel. Like I said, y'all know to go sub up. Keep up with the new shits. Keep up with the new ones. Glad to hear he got his legal license like he was trying to get. You know, that's what we all trying to do. Elevate and meditate, right?
Kitty detox superheroes of Nutriville. In the vibrant town of Nutriville, where health and happiness flourish, there lived 5 friends. Alex the apple, Carly the cranberry, Sam the spinach, Gina the ginger, and Toby the turmeric. They had a special mission, to keep the residents' kidneys healthy and happy. One sunny day, they gathered by the sparkling Nutri River, their favorite meeting spot. Alex the apple was the first to speak. Hey friends, we're like superheroes for the kidneys, helping people ride bikes, scooters, and enjoy the outdoors by keeping their bodies balanced and healthy. Carly the cranberry nodded. That's right. We're like little kidney superheroes. We help flush out toxins and keep those kidneys clean. Sam the spinach added, and we're packed with vitamins and minerals that give kidneys the strength they need to work their best. Gina the ginger chimed in. Plus, we have antioxidants that fight off harmful invaders and protect those hardworking kidneys. Toby the turmeric grinned, and let's not forget my special powder.